Hi, Jerry.
Hi, Sherry.
So today we went to Salem, in October, which was a great time to be in Salem, in my opinion. Very witchy town, lots of fun activities going on to honor Salem and honor its history. One of the dark pieces of history, though, that we learned about in Salem, it was the Salem witch trials, where 19 people were hung on suspicion of being witches or conducting witchcraft. It was an awful time, but we were there to kind of remember that, and not to make light of that, but it did get me thinking about maybe even modern day. So let's say you're injured because you're a witch, you do witchcraft, that's part of your job. Would workers' compensation cover that?
Yeah, it would. I mean, because at least in Minnesota, if you are an employee and you have been hired, by an employer for wages to perform work, and then you sustain an injury, unless you are one of the exceptions to the rule, then yeah, it's going to be covered. And that's something then, so, I mean, I'm trying to imagine a situation, even if it is, if there's a job to perform witchcraft,
right.
Then yes, then that would be, unless it was a prohibited or excluded employment. But obviously under the rules or the statute, I don't know of any exception or limitation for witchcraft. So, yeah.
You hear that?
Yeah.
Get out there and perform your witchcraft.
Or voodoo.
Stay tuned for our trip to Louisiana.
Yeah.
Coming to you soon.